Wow, that is a bowl of goodness. Hello, welcome back to Haradali Wisdom Kitchen. If it is your first time here, my name is Rosie. We do cook delicious food with our own wonderful twist to it, which makes it easier for you. Today, we're going to make you dumplings. Thank you so much for inviting us into your space and enjoy the journey. Thank you. So this is 2.5 cups of whole wheat flour. I'm gonna go ahead and sift it. All right, this is 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then I have 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And we mix. This is simplifying it, so it's easier for you to do it at home and enjoy it. Now I'll dig a hole in the center, and then I'll put in 1/3 cup of olive oil. And this is 2/3 cups of evaporated milk. Okay. And then into it, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of warm water. All right, I'm gonna go in with my fingers now. Bring it all together nicely till it's all nicely mixed. Okay. Now I'm gonna allow it to rest for a good about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll form it into bowls. So I'll cover it and let it rest. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes now. So that's what it looks like. That's what it should feel like. That's the texture, beautiful texture. So let's go and make the little bowls and get it ready. I realize that whenever I use a spoon, I make them a bit of the same size, kind of, and then I make them, you know, sort of nice looking. And you don't have to do this. This is just me. This is my preference. But the part that you should do is put your thumb in there and just press it in like that. All right. Now let's go for the same size. Something like that. Sort of like the same way you make naan bread, right? If you didn't check out a video on naan bread, go ahead and check it out. Right? So again, you bring it in together and press in the center all the way down. Okay, let's turn our stove on high, and I have 3 cups of hot water. It's already boiled. And so let me cover it for a little bit. Done. There you go. So we're just going to immerse them in the water one by one. So now at this point I'll lower the heat a little bit, medium high, because otherwise it will boil over and it will be foamy, and we don't want that. So I'm going to leave it at medium high, and then I'll cover it. If it boils over, we'll lower the heat again. But at this point, you just want to make sure that it's covered and it's cooking. We're going to let it boil for about 20-25 minutes. So see? Okay. I'm going to cover it some more. And then I'll lower the heat some more. Let's leave it at medium for now. And then in 10 minutes, I'll come and flip them, because we don't want them to stick to the bottom. Okay, because I don't want it to boil over. I am going to let some air in, just a little bit, and cover it again. So it's been about 10 minutes. We're going to flip them around so they cook on the opposite side as well. The thing is, try to avoid them from getting too soggy. And let them cook again for another 10 minutes on the opposite side. Here I am, flipping it again one more time. Okay, and then I'll probably give it about 2-3 minutes. Alright, so this is after 26-27 minutes. I'm gonna poke it and see if it's cooked inside. It's ready. So what I'll do is I'll turn it off. Alright. Take it off the heat. And then we'll take it off.
I ain't gonna sit and hate and try to leave me. That's all because of frustration I can beating. You said you wanted all the smoke, I bring the fire. All the talking, so I read you desire. All the talking, and I mean this disrespect.
So that's what the pot should look like. Non-stick is better for you for cleaning purposes. Alright, let's go ahead and taste it. It's really nice on the inside, right? Well, I know some people prefer mixing it with water, which is fine too. But according to my taste buds, I think evaporated milk adds a little bit of wowness to it. So, cheers.
I don't know why you're so negative. Like, you need to take a negative and turn it to a positive, because you know that I win this every day.
Wow, that is a bowl of goodness. It's good. It's just so delicious. So hey, go ahead and get your butter chicken. Eat it together. Wow. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.